Yo, today we'll put together my custom height adjustable PC table from ajproducts. For this project I will use Flexus height adjustable legs from ajproducts and custom sized tabletop from Carpenter. So what's in the box? A lot of metal. These legs without the tabletop cost around $350. There is also a manual that will be very useful. Hey, let's do a quick unboxing before we get to work. Now we have to put everything together. And here are the possible length options. I will have the shortest one, 1 meter multiplied by 80 centimeters. Put everything together how it should look and screw everything together. For this I suggest using electric screwdriver, it will be much quicker and easier. When the entire bottom is screwed, check if leg heights are the same. Connect the drive mechanism, then set the table legs and screw them neatly. And don't forget about the other leg. Then flip over the table so we can set up the table surface and control buttons. If you have friends close by, ask them to help you, because these legs are heavy. And here's our transformer. Put on the tabletop and do some adjusting. Best way to do it is with a ruler, or against a wall, leaving a gap between the wall and the tabletop. After that, connect all wires to control panel. This is the control of the engine and the power cord. Connect it to electricity and check if everything works. Put the remote in comfortable place and screw it in. If the tabletop is in place, then we can screw it. Arrange the wires and cable ties in a way that makes you happy. And here's how the table looks when it's equipped for everyday work. Nothing unnecessary. Wireless mouse and keyboard from Logitech. My favorite Sennheiser headphones with aluminium stand from Gekire. My old LG IPS monitor. And stereo soundbar for remarkable background music. Also, I have a USB sound card. Cheap and great budget sound card for everyday life. And how can I forget about USB 3.0 port? Let's raise up my table so you can see how I attached my PC and arranged all wires. It was a real challenge for my imagination and hand craftsmanship. And here's my mini tower Zalman case that is attached to 2 metal brackets within $5 budget. There are only 2 incoming wires. Looks quite nice and comfortable. And here's the view from the floor. And that's how my height adjustable table looks like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have some questions or tips, feel free to leave them down in comments. Thank you and bye.